PlayStation Portal has landed, and while it might not be going head-to-head with heavyweights like the Lenovo Legion Go or Asus RG Ally, it's packing some serious punch for an enjoyable gaming experience. Today, we're diving into the coolest features this device brings to the table. So buckle up, because we're about to unveil the gaming magic that the PlayStation Portal has in store for you. 8-inch LCD screen. First up is the screen, and let me tell you, you're in for a treat. The PlayStation Portal packs a punch with its impressive 8-inch LCD display, serving up a jaw-dropping 1080p resolution. Say goodbye to pixelated nightmares and hello to crisp, clear visuals that'll transport you straight into the heart of your gaming universe. But that's not all. Brace yourselves for the smoothest gameplay of your life, thanks to the silky 60 FPS frame rate. No more motion blur headaches, just an overall visual experience that's bound to blow your mind. Remote connection. Let's talk about connectivity, and when it comes to the PlayStation Portal, Wi-Fi is the unsung hero. This handheld wonder seamlessly hooks up to your PS5 over Wi-Fi, giving you the power of remote play anywhere within that magical Wi-Fi range. Imagine this: you're knee-deep in an intense PS5 gaming session and duty calls for you to hit the road. Fear not, because with the PlayStation Portable, it's a smooth transition from the big screen to the palm of your hands. Flexibility and convenience take center stage, ensuring you never have to hit pause on your gaming adventures. It's like having your own personal gaming universe in your pocket. Now that's connectivity that deserves a standing ovation. Compatibility. Now let's dive into the gaming prowess of the PlayStation Portal. Picture this: your favorite PS5 games, but now they're not confined to the big screen. This sleek device lets you take your gaming experience to go, transforming your favorite console games into a portable powerhouse. And here's the beat-dropping bonus: with a 3.5mm audio jack in the mix, you got the ticket to wired audio perfection. Say hello to an immersive sound experience that elevates your gameplay to a whole new level. However, there's a tiny hiccup in this gaming fiesta. PSVR 2 games and the cloud stream delights from PlayStation Plus Premium are a no-go. But worry not, your quest for gaming greatness is still alive and kicking with a selection of top-notch PS5 titles at your fingertips. Let the gaming adventures continue. Link technology. Let's talk audio magic. The PlayStation Portal is not just about visuals. It's here to rock your auditory world too. With the PlayStation Link technology in play, this device syncs seamlessly with Pulse Elite and Pulse Explore wireless audio devices, delivering a symphony of low latency and lossless audio goodness. Say goodbye to those frustrating delays and distortions. The PlayStation Portal is all about keeping your gaming soundtrack crystal clear and in perfect harmony. And guess what? We've got more in store for you, a future face-off comparing this console gem with other contenders. But for now, let's sneak a peek at what the early testers are buzzing about. Get ready for a sonic journey like never before. DualSense wireless controller integration. Last but certainly not least, let's dive into the world of sensory delight that the PlayStation Portal brings to the gaming table. Picture this: adaptive triggers, a secret sauce that adds a touch of real-world feel to your gaming escapades. These triggers aren't just buttons. They're your gateway to an immersive experience where resistance levels dance to the rhythm of in-game actions. Feel the bowstring tension as you draw, or the satisfying recoil of a virtual gun. And that's not all. Enter haptic feedback, the maestro of nuanced vibrations that sync with in-game events. It's like your controller has a sixth sense, letting you feel different textures, impacts, and movements within the game. It's not just gaming, it's a sensory symphony. Get ready to touch, feel, and play like never before. And with that, we've reached the end of today's exploration into the gaming universe with the PlayStation Portal. Now it's your turn to join the conversation. Drop a comment below and share your thoughts on this sleek gaming companion. Is it a perfect match for your gaming style, or are you eyeing it for your next gaming adventure? We're eager to hear your take. If you enjoyed our journey through the PlayStation Portal, don't forget to hit that like button. Subscribe for more tech adventures and ring that notification bell so you never miss a beat. Thanks for tuning in, gamers, and until next time, happy gaming.